everyone. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, Physical and Chemical Change. Okay, and today we will just do the definition of these two along with a few examples. Okay, first of all, let us start what is a physical change. Before this, just tell me, had you seen any kind of change around you? Think, any kind of change had you observed? Your answer will be yes. First example I can give you, in order to make lemonade or in order to make any kind of soft drink, what we used to do? We used to add sugar in the water, right now? You might have done this also, adding sugar in the water. This is again a change, adding sugar in water. This is a change. So in your daily life, you had seen a number of changes. Okay? Now let us talk about physical change. Firstly, I am telling you the definition. After that, I'll show you a few examples. Now, what is a physical change? A physical change is a change in which a new substance is not formed. Okay? A physical change is a change in which there is not formation of a new substance. Okay, there is only change in the physical properties like size, shape, color, state. Okay, so physical change is a change in which a new substance is not formed. There is no change in the chemical property. There is a change only in the physical property like shape, size, color, state. Now let me show you an example of a physical change. So now here just see, I am having a paper. Okay, now I am tearing the paper with the help of a ruler. Now just see. Now, this is a physical change. Tearing a paper is a physical change. Why? Because you can see a new substance is not formed. Earlier also it was a paper. Now also it is a paper. Earlier also its chemical properties and now also its chemical properties both are same. Okay, now if I just tear it once more, just see like this. Again this is a physical change. Why? Because if I am tearing it, there is only change in shape, right? Its size is also getting changed. Now if I'll tear it like this, again there is a change in shape. Its shape is different. Its shape is different. There is change in size. Its size is different. Its size is different. Its size is also different. Right now? So tearing a paper is a physical change. As you can see, there is only change in shape or there is only change in size. Clear? Now, second example of physical change, melting of ice. In this tray, you can see I am having ice. So I'll take an ice cube, okay? And I'll put this ice cube here in the glass. You can see. Now just leave it for 2 minutes and observe what will happen. Now, what will you observe after 2 minutes? Think. Right. The ice will start melting. Right now. Here also you can see. Ice is getting melted. You can see there is water. Right now. So the ice is melting. Now this is also a physical change. Melting of ice is a physical change because there is a change only in physical property, that is state. Okay, the solid ice is being converted into liquid water. So again this is a physical change because chemical properties of water and ice, they are same. They both are having the formula H2O. So this is a physical change. Melting of ice is a physical change. Clear? Now let us start chemical change. So now let us talk about chemical change. Okay. Now a chemical change is a change in which a new substance is formed. In a chemical change, a new substance is formed. Clear? In a chemical change, a new substance is formed. And chemical changes are generally irreversible. About reversible and irreversible changes you had learnt in class 6th. So chemical changes are generally irreversible. Means from the final substance or from the product, we can't get back the initial substance or the reactant. Okay. Now let me give you an example of chemical change. Burning of paper. Okay. Now tell me, what will happen if you burn paper? Think. What will happen? Ashes will get formed. That ash is a different substance when you compare with the paper. They both are having different chemical properties, right? So burning of paper is a chemical change. In fact, burning is always a chemical change. Okay. So this is an example of a chemical change. Burning of paper. Second example is setting of curd from milk. You might have seen this, right now? Your mother used to make curd from the milk. Now if you will taste both, they are having different taste, right? Curd is somewhat sour. Why? You had done in chapter 5. Curd is sour because it contains acid, right now? So basically chemical properties of milk and curd is different, right? So making of curd from milk is what kind of change? Yes, it is a chemical change. Clear? And it is irreversible also. From milk we can make curd. But can you reverse it back? Can you make milk from curd once again? Think. Your answer would be no. So generally chemical changes are irreversible. Clear? Thank you.